spooky lantern.
Hello. I'm Izzy today. Okay. Thank you, Chef.
Boo! Ah! Not completely gone yet. Just gone from here. Still have 50th anniversary merchandise. That's cool. $59.99, I believe. I like the blanket. Or the throw, I guess. Throw blanket. Oh, yeah. Throw a blanket. $25.99 with purchase. Asylum. The Monster Maze. That's old. Here's an awkward edit because I completely missed this room. Again, I missed this room 2 years ago too. Here's where they have the high-priced items, like the collectibles. They had, they do have a sign again. So I bought one of these a few years ago. They had a 50th anniversary one. I regret not buying that one because it was a better one. They are expensive, but these kind of items usually are. It says something really small. I can't see. Literally can't read it on my glasses. It is Department 56, so like none of their stuff is cheap, so it's not knock on Knotts. Oh, here it is. Yeah, see, I wish I had one of those because the one I bought flickers and I wanted it in the background of a video of my haunt set, and it's just too distracting. I didn't know until I bought it and got home. Ooh, check out that pumpkin guy figure. Ooh, that one too. It's good stuff. It's just, it's pricey. Like the fire. We have a Home Depot skeleton. So again, like really cool. Oh man, look at this. Really cool stuff. It is. Be aware, it's pricey. The nightmares never end. And the same photo op they had last time, which is fine. But this is a Cedar Fair thing because they also had the identical one at Scarewinds. Ooh, glows in the dark. Okay, well, now we walk back over to here where I make a not at all smooth cut back to the video I shot earlier. Ooh, I like that. It's a cool design. Feed your fear. Check out this beanie. Oh, someone forgot to press play. It's okay, the store just opened, so, you know, details. Ooh. It's really good quality on this stitching. Ooh, Cinema Slasher. That's a cool backpack. I like the shirts too. I'm not getting it because I have way too many shirts. Oh, crap. That's cool. That's actually a cool shirt. I do. I've seen her in person twice. That's cool. Ooh, spooky spider. Why was that so hard for me to say, spooky spider? It's not that hard to say, but I sure made it sound difficult, didn't I? This reminds me of Gangster's Paradise. Vaguely. I love this. You can see video from the event in the background. So cool. Is that throw blanket again? It's exclusive. Well, yeah, who else would have? Now, 2 years ago they had Elvira's actual, I think it was the actual staged used couch sitting here as a cool design. Probably said that already. It's still cool. Ooh, I like this too. Check out his not scary farm. I was trying to see it better. Like, oh, look at that. Nice. $74.99 though. Elvira bag. Yeah. There's no. They don't hide what the appeal was of Elvira. Man, I even had coffee just before this too. She still looks good. Like, she looks great. I don't know how old she is, but like, I've seen her in person. It's easier to look. I like how they have these shirts with the black lights. It's easier to look good in a photo with lots of makeup and lighting and all that. I mean, you still have to look good. You can put all the makeup and lighting you want on me, and I'm not gonna look good. But seeing someone in person, obviously wear makeup because, you know. But still, seeing her in person and just convention center lighting, she still looked great. So that's cool. It's lounge fly, so it's gonna be expensive. I can't see the price. I'm too old. But it's interesting. I haven't seen a Loungefly with. Oh, these are the clear ones for the moronic rule they have. I forgot. I heard that on Theme Park Duo's coverage of the media event. I have my own. It is really cool to have black light react. My God, words. Black light reactant shirts for a haunt because there's a lot of black lights and LEDs and stuff. I like the lantern on that. That's really cool. That's cool. Ooh, check out the Skellington. These hats are nice. Oh my gosh, Universal. Whoever does this, like, hire someone like this. These are great designs. Look at that. This is a great design. That's just a logo, but it looks so good. The zoo. Oh yeah, that's right. That's one of the new mazes. Purple backlighting. Gotta love that. Calico Ghost Town. Well, I really want you to get this blanket. Hey, it's really nice.
How you doing?
Hey. The saloon.
You're getting my good side at least. Don't worry.
Sir, every side's a good side.
Well, thank you. It's so nice.
Where can I get the Scare Me More necklace? Because
the Nobu necklaces. Okay, so we're
Yeah.
gonna have them all over the park. We're gonna have designated carts through. Once you first enter the park, you're gonna have over by Ghost Town, over by Stroller Shop, and then Cordy's Corner.
well, that's for this one, right?
Yeah. So we have some up front, and then Virginia's gift shop.
But I don't want the no boo necklace.
You don't want the Nobu?
I want the extra boo necklace.
Oh, extra boo necklace? I wish. You just gotta show your camera
yeah.
from the face.
The neck. I want the necklace where like attack me more.
Okay. You want me to teach you how you want to stand out more in crowds so you can give them a little bit more attention? Be funny. Be
Yeah.
funny. Just crack a little joke.
I tried
Do
to.
a little song. Be out there. I mean, I already noticed you already with the camera, so
Yeah.
they're gonna be all over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just try to be funny.
All right,
the
thank you.
best tip to get more scares.
What?
Give a monster your name.
That's.
That way they could tell all their friends.
I know some of them like make up scary names for people.
Especially in mazes.
Yeah.
It's all over. The monster in a maze knows your name.
Well, I know that there's some haunts in Florida where you wear a necklace and they'll scare you more.
Yep.
I'm like, more of that. Ooh, look at all these buttons. Ow! Just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, that is a walkthrough of the Tribute, Legacy store. I don't know where I got Tribute from.
They have one.
Hey, if Knotts can give us crap, I can joke back. Yes, I'm not offended. I'm just saying it can go both ways.
We say what you're trying.
Hey, it's all fun. I mean, we're all here to have fun. Universal, Knotts, they're all in the business of having fun, having a good time. And it's just a little bit of fun, joking around. Like, hey, Orlando, I see you have a scare zone that sounds a lot like the Goring 20s. And like, that's honestly what I thought too. Like, come on, you're gonna rip off Knotts. But thanks for watching my walkthrough of the Legacy store. And like, subscribe, or whatever, I don't know. Bye.